This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Facebook Ads Manager, your comprehensive platform for creating and managing advertisements. This robust tool offers a centralized hub for all your advertising endeavors across multiple platforms. With it, you gain precise control over who sees your ads and exactly how much you spend. Mastering this platform is essential for anyone serious about digital marketing success, ensuring your message reaches the right people at the right moment. Your first step in Ads Manager is to define your campaign objective, which dictates the ad types and optimization strategies. Do you want to build brand recognition, encourage interaction, or drive sales directly? The platform offers three main categories: awareness, consideration, and conversion. Selecting the correct objective is fundamental, as it guides the entire campaign structure and how your ads are delivered to potential customers. Next, accurately define your ideal audience to ensure your ads reach the most relevant people. You can specify age, gender, location, and even intricate interests or behaviors. Following this, establish your campaign budget, choosing between a daily spend or a total lifetime amount. Many businesses find that a starting daily budget of around $15 allows for sufficient data collection and effective optimization, providing valuable insights. Now it's time to craft your ad creatives, making sure they are visually appealing and effectively convey your message. Choose engaging images, short video clips, or compelling carousel formats to capture attention. Your ad copy should be brief, impactful, and clearly communicate your value proposition. Always include a strong call to action, like shop now or learn more, to tell your audience precisely what step to take next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.